Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Minecraft banners. To begin, banners are decorative blocks you can customize with various patterns and colors. You'll need a crafting table, some wool, and a stick to get started. These items are fundamental for creating your unique designs. Let's dive into the basic crafting process. To craft a blank banner, open your crafting table. Arrange 6 wool blocks across the top 2 rows, filling all 6 slots. Then, place one stick directly in the center slot of the bottom row. The color of the wool you use will determine the base color of your new banner. It's that simple to get started. Once you have a blank banner, head to a loom to add patterns. Place your banner in the left slot and a die of your chosen color in the middle slot. You'll see various pattern options appear. Select your desired design and, if needed, add a specific banner pattern item for unique shapes. The loom makes customization quick and easy. For more intricate banners, you can layer multiple patterns on top of each other using the loom. Each new pattern you add will require an additional die. Feel free to experiment with different colors and shapes to create truly unique designs. You can also duplicate existing banners by placing a crafted banner and a blank banner in a crafting grid.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.